Hey guys, I'm just doing an update on Safemoon since I missed all the Times Square ads and all that big fun stuff due to being out a little bit. But I did want to make a post about it just because I thought, as a New Yorker, for me, it was so important to see the Times Square ad. I know how big, how much attention, and how many things and eyes on an ad like that would bring to the community and to the SafeMoon team. They clearly saw that there was an opportunity there to take advantage of that. And for a whole year, that's awesome, guys. And I know that, like, again, I'm posting this a little bit late to the party, but again, me being a New Yorker, I just had to post something about being excited about this ad being on there for a year. Like that's amazing. Like that's amazing. I don't know. I know Adam Bergman's doing some like guerrilla marketing out there to bring attention to. Like I'm such a fan of those guys. Like Adam specifically. Like just doing such great work. So yeah, check out Adam Bergman's channel and check him out if he's going down there. I don't know the date. I probably should have done my research on exactly when he's gonna be down there, but yeah, I think it's this weekend. So check him out, guys, if you're gonna be down there. So some of the things I really wanted to touch base on with the ad though, that you can kind of see that the Twitter following. This is Social Blade, and on Social Blade you can kind of track. It looked like some of the numbers were already kind of, dwindling down, at least not a ton, but in followers that SafeMoon was gaining on our road to 2 million followers. But you can see that the moment that they placed that ad, there was about a 2,000 increase in how many followers SafeMoon's been gaining, almost consistently 3,000 a day. So that obviously it makes a difference. It makes a difference and definitely makes an impact um, in the community, in eyes on the project. I know that, again, this is more like, this happened on New Year's, a little bit before New Year's on the 31st. But still, I just wanted to touch on it, give you guys my thoughts on that. I'm super excited. What I've been looking at least in the numbers, it looks like we're gaining, maybe 1,500 to 2,000 more people on Twitter a day. Who knows how many that is translating into wallets. I know that John was talking about on the AMA that he has like good numbers that he's going to probably discuss. I'm not sure if that means something like this, where the ads since that day they've probably seen a significant increase in maybe wallet holders. I was looking at the BSC scan as well, and there definitely was a little bit of a jump as well. Not as maybe as massive as this, but certainly a big increase. So throughout the year, guys, think about that ad being on there and what attention that can bring to the whole project. Um, I did think this was funny, so I just wanted to post that because there was someone that asked John, "How can I purchase SafeMoon without paying such high fees, high gas fees?" And he said, "Nobody tell him about Ethereum gas fees. Not sure they can handle it." So, I mean, yeah, if you think BNB gas fees are high, they range very low, $3 to $4. But Ethereum gas fees are just crazy. They're way higher than that. Let's just say that. So yeah, I mean, they were kind of pointing out how we hit the 3.5, 1.35 in followers, but again, that those ads I think are going to continue to push that number on the road to 2 mil. Um, SafeMoon has kind of already moved into the office and everything. Man, I definitely missed a lot, but I'm back, guys, and I'm gonna be doing more videos on some of the things that I see and some of the plays I have. So definitely, come back and check some of the news I post on there. I'm also gonna be exploring some NFTs with the Explore NFT website because I know that they actually list as SafeMoon V2. You can actually buy them here with your SafeMoon. So that is super awesome. Obviously, another use case right there. I'll be listing a couple very soon here. Also, going to be working with my wife on her site to list a couple on here. So definitely check those out once they list. Her website's thevegasmom.com. So once they list, they'll be up on there and up on here. Let me know what you guys think though on the ad. Are you guys as excited as I am? I know again I'm a little late to that dance, but I just still wanted to share my excitement, see what you guys thought, and see what you guys thought on those numbers too. You know, it's obviously growing. It's obviously it's making an impact. All right, guys, but I'll catch you on the next video, and thanks for watching. Definitely like, share, subscribe if you haven't. Appreciate all the support, and yeah, catch you on the next one.